we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of WHIPIN hot melt binding machine. That's include fast binding. Achieve quick warm-up in just 3 minutes with this hot melt adhesive binding machine. Its cleverly designed paper feeding intelligent sensing function ensures efficient and hassle-free operation, while the automatic heating feature allows for convenient hot melt document insertion. Heating evenly. Equipped with PTC ceramic heating technology and a built-in ceramic chip, this machine ensures constant temperature heating for uniform results. Upon activation, it intelligently maintains a consistent temperature, resulting in beautifully bound documents. 33 mm max binding thickness. Capable of binding up to 330 papers, 70 grams, with hot melt adhesive thickness, this machine effortlessly handles large and thick documents, catering to all your binding requirements. Wide applications. Designed for a variety of document binding purposes, this heat binding machine is ideal for contracts, reports, quotations, insurance policies, real estate certificates, visa documents, accounting books, and financial vouchers. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.